Hey guys, this is Qadry Ismail, the sports performance coach here at the Arena Club, and I want to give you a quick fitness tip of the day. Now, it's about your running. I've seen so many clients over the years have poor running mechanics that can lead to knee issues, lower back issues, and hip issues. I want to make sure that you have a great understanding of how to run more effectively in your cardio workouts. So basically, when you look at your running mechanics, oftentimes you'll see people, when they strike the ground, they're gonna strike the ground with their heel first, and then they have the rollover. Well, when you're striking the ground heel first, your shock absorbers aren't functioning as well as you want them to. You wanna basically be able to strike the ground through the midpoint of your foot. So that mid-foot strike from the midpoint up is really highly effective. And it looks like this. You're gonna be here, and you're gonna just be able to just start to a little march. As you go, you can pick up the march into a little bit of a jog, and then you can gradually pick it up into a run. A nice mid-foot strike helps keep you on balance, on point. It takes a lot of pressure off your knees, a lot of pressure off of your hips, and gives you a smooth opportunity to run. Now, at the same time, how do we drill it? How do we put it into our muscle memory, if you will? There are two drills that I like to do. One is called an A skip with a clap. Now, an A skip allows your knee to come up, your toe, your knee, and your hip to come up at the same time and push into the ground underneath your power point. Your power point is your hips. So, at the same time, you want to be able to have that action while you run. An A skip with a clap looks like this. You're going to come up and down, up and down. This gives you the ability to get the feel of mid-foot striking, gives you a chance to have good rhythm, and sets you up to have proper running mechanics as you go. Last one of the day. We're going to put it together, and it's called a three-step skip. A three-step skip basically gives you an opportunity, if you're running on a treadmill, if you're running on a road race, if you're a sprinter, gives you an opportunity to really feel the rhythm of the run. And so a three-step skip looks like this. There's your Arena Club quick fitness tip of the day.